Okay, this is going to be a little explanation video how we can do the upload in Amazon for the ebook. So I'm here in Kindle Direct Publishing. So you have the login, the email address, and a password from the author. So what you need to do is, first step, log into the Kindle account from the authors. When you do this, you have to check with them and find like the same time where you can log in. For example, send them an email and say, okay, let's meet, I don't know, Tuesday, 9 a.m. We both need to be online because when you log in, the author gets like a verification code, and within a few, like really 30 seconds or so, they need to send it to you on the email, and then you need to put it into Amazon account. So when you like on Kindle publishing, you wanna start an ebook, and I'm showing you in a second how to do this. Or let me just save this and show you, because we are like already in an existent ebook. So usually you go here on bookshelf, you see this when you log in, and then you just go on create, and then create a Kindle ebook. Create and Kindle ebook, and then this shows up. And after you create a Kindle ebook, back here they usually ask you, do you want to link in a paperback and a hardcover? And you say yes to both. So when you start creating a Kindle ebook, you find this mask here with all the information, and you just put in the language, the book title, the subtitle. If it's a series, which we usually don't have, but if it's a series, you have to put in like book 1 out of 3 or so, book 2 out of 3, and so on, put in the different title, and then like the series title. Edition number, usually when it's the first edition, you don't have to put in edition number. If it's the second, third, fourth edition, then you have to put in a number here. Then the author's name, contribution. Yeah, if we have one, like the illustrator, if it's a children's books and so on. The description, make sure it's nice. It has some space here and not everything together, so it looks nice. Yeah, he owns this copyright, the author. No, it's not sexual abuse or content. Primary marketplace is Amazon.com. You can see here the different marketplaces, usually Amazon.com. Categories, you get the categories. Basically, you just have like, go in here and you see all the different categories, and you just have to like put it in as you get it. Then the 7 keywords, which you also get, and basically this part, it's really just copy paste in the information. So the second page is basically you upload the manuscript here, the cover here, and you always, like with Kindle, you put in here, don't use the cover creator to make the book because we already have it. You just put like the JPEG in here and upload it. And then they asked you AA generated this book. It's a no. And then you go on a preview of the book. So, and then you see here, like, this is how it looks. Type of content, so it looks all good. Perfect. So we go back. We don't need an ISBN for the Kindle because Kindle doesn't require one. We put in here digital authors, save and continue. As a publisher, always digital authors, please. So this is super important. If I asked you, please enroll in KDP Select, this is something we have to do because this means we enroll it in the Kindle Club. So people who are paying for Kindle get this book for free. And this is a very good promotional thing. So how we do this, we go here, visit the promotion page to manage, to enroll the book, which we need to do. And then, because I did it before, here's a button we have to click to enroll it. And this is here, this means, yeah, we keep enrolling it, which we need to do. And then you see, okay, the start day is today, the end day is December 18. And what we do automatically, we just enroll for a promotion. And let's do it. I usually give you the dates. Let's do it in October. Let's go from October 12th, 13th to the 16th. It's around the solar eclipse, and I just think it's a nice date for now. So, but double check with me which date we put in. Yeah, we do this. And also, and here you can see, okay, it says a free promotion between those days. Perfect. Then we go back. So we enrolled in KDP, put in the price here, and publish the book. Like usually it's 70%, because 35 is just when the book is under $2.99, but it's between $2.99 and $9.99, so we get 70% royalty, and then here's the price in, and then that just gave us a rate how much royalty we get. So they also get like $5.50. And here you see, you know, if you want to get 70%, it's like between $2.99 and then what I just said. And then it's also calculating for all the other currencies, which is nice to see. And then we go on publish. And that's about it, about the ebook. So once we are done with this, we usually link in a paperback and a hardcover. And I'm going to pause here and show you later how to do this. Okay, let's go in again. So we published the Kindle ebook. And now we have to create the paperback, which is, so if you create it new, you see just here the Kindle, and then here in this field, they ask you starting a paperback. You say yes, and then starting a hardcover, and you say yes. And then the beautiful thing is they're taking all the information you already put in the Kindle ebook. So the upload is super straightforward because you basically just have to put it in once, and then it's creating the paperback already. So let's see. Okay, the language here, English, perfect. Book title, Sasha, My Guardian's Sasquatch. The author's name is correct. Contribution, you know, we have no one. Or we could put in digital authors. But we put it in publisher, so we just leave it. We leave it. The description here a little bit, make sure it looks nice and not everything like this, you know, so people can really read it. Yes, he owns copyright. no, there's no sexual, nothing. Please, you don't have to put anything in here, because we don't. So primary marketplaces is Amazon.com. Here in the categories, if you see, there are like different categories actually as we put into the ebook. And the reason is, when I give you all the information, what to put in, I give you 10 different categories. And at the end, when everything is uploaded, we have to go to put it extra, so we can like add extra 10 categories and make sure you put in here different categories than in the ebook. This makes just okay again. So I give you 10 categories and make sure you put like 3 different categories, always like 3 different in ebook, 3 different in a paperback, 3 different in a hardcover. And then at the end, when everything is uploaded, we have to go into Author Central and put in 10 categories there. To make sure the author really gets the widest range of possibility to get found by other people. So this is the reason you can see here different categories, and make sure they're also making sense, because I see here this doesn't make sense. So I have to change this. And then please double check just with the categories I gave you if everything is okay. So for this, you have your Word document. And I hope you can see this right now. Let me just see. So you can see this here. You have like 10 categories and you put it in like this, please. So let's keep those 3 for the ebook. And here we see, okay, for the paperback, we put in Kindle ebook. I know this is the ebook. Okay, sorry. Let's maybe change it a little bit. Yeah, put the 3 ebooks, just to make sense of it. Put it in here. Yeah, so we make sure, okay, we have like 3, 3, 3, and 1, because we need 10 when we put it everything in the Author Central. And I'm going to send you a different video on how to do this. So, and I just look, okay, books, romance suspects, and I go here in categories. Books, suspects. What was it? Books, romance, I'm sorry. Romance, put it in here. And romance suspicions, okay. So, and if I can't find it here in a subcategory, I look here and see, okay, romance suspicion. Perfect. Let's see the second one. The second one is travel, specialty, travel. So, and let's just reset those 2. Oh, here we go. Okay, the other one was travel. And what else? Travel and specialty travel. I see here it's nothing. Okay, and then here, perfect. Save categories. And then the third one is books, literature, and fiction. Oops. No. Damn, have to do it again. Okay, travel. Okay. Save. Why doesn't it save? Strange. Let's do adventure. So maybe it's safe then. And the third one is literature and fiction. Let's see it. Here, literature and fiction. Okay. I think somehow it was something more. Okay. Yeah. No, not really. Business travel cruise. Ah, here. Because it's a book about Bigfoot. So sometimes it doesn't 100% fit. So we have to be a little bit creative and just, think about the manuscript we have and then put it in here. So then you just copy paste the 7 keywords we have and continue. So here, very important to put in the ISBN. And we have an ISBN for all our authors. And you just go to the Google Drive I'm going to share with you and copy paste. Oops, wrong. Copy paste it. Okay, and here we see Lindsay Bigfoot soft, which means for the soft cover. We copy paste it. I just do it again to make sure it's imprint. The imprint is usually where we bought the ISBN, which is Bofkor. No, how to pronounce it. This is this one. But if they don't ask us, we let it free. Publication day, we don't have to set. We put in here usually black and white with green paper because this looks nicer. Then, of course, we have to make sure we put in the right information, which is usually we use standard, so 5.5 to 8.5 inches. With pleat, yes. Matte, yeah. We upload the manuscript. We upload the file. We leave the template I sent you for Amazon. I sent you 2 different ones for Amazon, one for the soft cover, one for the hardcover, actually 3 and the ebook. So you have to make sure you upload the right cover. Let's just do it again to make sure we have the right cover. So oh, one salting and say Sasha cover, and I have it here. This is the right cover, just so many covers. Yeah, Amazon Soft, this one, paperback. In case laminate is usually hardcover, but I write it somewhere here in the title. So we are in a soft cover, we're uploading it, waiting. It's processing. It's not AI generated. I don't know what I want. Okay. Processing. So it's usually it takes like a little bit, depends on your internet. Just pause for a second. Okay. It uploaded, something interesting happened. So I see here, okay, cover uploaded, manuscripts successfully uploaded, but I can't go here, look at preview, which we need to do. And they say, if I go over it, a minute ago, they said like, please provide ISBN, which we did. So basically what they want, the name of the imprint, and we put in here digital authors, because we bought the ISBN, and it's basically the author is protected through us. So we put in here digital authors, and then we go on launch previewer, which is always super important. And then we see that everything is correctly. Can also take a second. You can also skip this. Okay, checking everything. Yeah, usually it can take up to a minute or two. You can also pause the video. Okay. And then we come here to the preview. And we see everything looks great, except what is this one? You expect the cover sign. Yeah, this should be okay, because this is like 0.06 millimeter. So, and everything is within the margin. So we do a screenshot. So it should be all right. So everything is within margin, and it looks good. Yeah. So we exit for now, because because we have to upload in this case, it doesn't matter. We have to do the manuscript again because there's a change. So usually what you do, you click on the preview, and then if you see like what I just showed you, that everything is good, then you accept it, and then we move forward. And what is also important, when you do the upload, okay, now they don't let us approve, so this can happen. So this means we need to resize the cover a little bit. Okay, let's do this together, actually. This is quite easy. It's actually never happened in Amazon before, but let's do this. So where I go usually is PDF to go, and I highly recommend just using the same tools as I do, because we just know that this works. So what you do is like you upload the file. Then you see, okay, here's Paperback softcover. Open it, we uploaded it. And then we go here, customize pages, going back to Ingram and see okay, this we copy just the numbers out here. You expect cover size is this, going in here. Put it in here. Inches is very important because we work with inches, and then just copying this in here. And start resizing. So once this is done, we click here on download. Failed. Why? Okay, perfect. Okay, now we see. Perfect. Okay, and then we have a white border here, which is not good. Do you see this? We have here like a white border. So what can we do? We need to forward this to Liam, our cover designer. Copy this. I put it in a Word document. Okay. And then let's check what's here. Infos and Gada books with. Halt doch mal die Fresse. Put this on. Just don't have books slash turn required at least. And this we have to forward to Richard, because Richard takes care of the book interior. Okay, let's exit here. Save as draft. And let's check the hardcover. It's actually good that this happened, because then we see, okay, sometimes, you know, it's not everything just goes, we do the upload and everything goes okay. Sometimes we have to make sure to double check everything and fix those issues, which it's usually just like a few emails and then uploading a new file. So we're checking here, okay, language is okay, book title, subtitle, perfect, author's name is in, making sure here we see it nicely on the copyright. There's no sexual images. Put this out here, primary marketplaces. Checking this again on, so we have here books, Christian books and Bibles. Just put everything out here. Oh, we let the murder in. But short story, it's definitely not a short story collection. Okay, we let this one in. Delete this one. Where was this murder? Ah, murder was here. Okay. Delete this one. And add another one. So we put in Christian books and Bibles. Literature fiction. Literature fiction. Yeah. Romance. And contemporary. Perfect. And then the third one is books, mystery, thriller, suspects. Books, mystery. Mystery, and then police. It's here somewhere. Police, procedural. Safe, perfect. This, I don't know why this is twin, but in twin. This is not a large print book. So here, usually we don't need to put in anything in here. So we have the keywords. Go forwarding. Save and continue. Yeah, we put the digital authors in here. Checking again the ISBN. It's in. Perfect. We don't have to set a publication date. We make sure we have the right trim size with pleat PDF. Upload the. No, we don't have a barcode. Let's make sure. Okay, we have here the Amazon hardcover. Uploading it, which takes a second again. I'm just pause it so you don't have to wait. Where is it here? Okay, upload was successful. Now we go on preview. Okay, the hardcover here, it looks good. Yeah, we have no issue with the hardcover, but the fonts are not probably enabled in your file. So we just copy paste this. Copy paste. Put it here in our Word, and then, you know, just forward it to Richard, and he knows what to do. And we're going to do another screenshot. Just for the author to see, just for today. Then here you see, okay, we can improve it. We couldn't improve the other one because there was a slight different. So we see, okay, the hardcover is okay. We just have to forward something to Richard. The soft cover, we need to forward the error message to Liam, and he has to take care of this. We approve. And then we go save and continue. Yeah. Yeah, my answers are great. We don't use AI. Okay. So, and then we come to the last page where we put in the prices. So it's all territorium. Here is the hardcover price. Here we can request a proof. So the author can do this, and by clicking, so it needs 72 hours. We don't do this, please. Now, what you always do is please send me a screenshot from everything. So from this page, like the prices, the hardcover or the softcover ebook details, so we can like double check, okay, everything is put in nicely, like, you know, the description looks nice, here are all the information are nicely, the categories are put in good, the keywords and so on. And please make from everything a screenshot. Maybe put everything in like in a Word document, write in here ebook, and then put the screenshot, and then softcover, put the screenshot, so I can double check. And once I gave my okay, then you log in again, and then we can like put on go on publishing. So why is this important? Because sometimes, you know, like here, before here was, you know, someone clicked in here, which is not good, because then we have like, then we get an error message after we published it, and then the author gets an error message, and then, you know, we have like much more hassle as if we like, you know, work together and double check the file as I go. So super easy. Basically, you just have to put in the information correctly, If there is an error message for the cover, copy it, forward it to Liam, send him also again the cover to make sure, because we're working with 5 different covers, to make sure he has the right cover. And then wait for Liam, and everything like the error message for the interior file, send a message to Richard, our layouter, and then we good. And then we do the upload again, prove everything, and everything is okay. We go and approve, double check with me, and then we publish this thing. So yeah, this is how we do the Amazon upload. We have another video on how to do the Income Spark upload. This is also pretty straightforward. It's basically the same. Do the upload before you publish. Please send me a screenshot from everything, and we good. We're good to go. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for your help. Bye-bye.